Hello, this is Steve Spiker. I'm a teacher at Center Point Urbana High School. I teach them industrial technology classes and engineering classes. The classes that I teach that are available to freshmen would be the Introduction to ACE class, Basic Electricity, Introduction to Engineering Design, and Civil Engineering and Architecture. The Introduction to ACE provides students with experiences in mechanical and architectural design drafting. Students develop knowledge and skills in reading and creating 2- and 3-dimensional product drawings. Topics will include technical sketching, computer-aided design drafting, 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional drawings, working drawings with dimensions, some reverse engineering of existing products, mechanical and architectural drawing. Basic Electricity class helps students develop an understanding of the fundamentals of electricity. Students will explore AC and DC current, voltage, and resistance, series and parallel circuits, circuit diagrams, and analysis. Some of our content includes electron theory in conductors and insulators, voltage, current, resistance, and power, building circuits and measuring volts, amps, and ohms, design calculations of circuits, including using Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws. We'll work with parallel circuits, series circuits, and combination circuits. Electronics project soldering is a fun project kids always enjoy, and we will do some house wiring. I do have syllabus available for this class and all the other classes using the link below on the bottom of the screens here. The Introduction to Engineering Design class, students dig deep into engineering design process. We apply math, science, and engineering standards to hands-on projects, like designing a new toy or improving an existing product. Students design solutions to problems using 3-dimensional modeling software, and they create an engineering notebook. This class does use the Project Lead the Way curriculum. Some of the units of study include design process, engineering disciplines and careers, technical sketching and computer modeling, measurements and statistics, reverse engineering, engineering documentation. Another Project Lead the Way class that freshmen can take is a Civil Engineering and Architecture class. Students learn important aspects of building and site design and development. They apply math, science, and standard engineering practices to design both residential and commercial projects, document their work using 3D architectural design software. This class does use the Project Lead the Way curriculum. Major topics will include civil engineering, architecture, history, and career fields, residential construction and design, commercial construction and design, land surveying, soil testing and building codes, energy and cost efficiency, and sustainability. To be successful in these classes, students need to come to class each day prepared to learn. They need to keep an open mind and not be afraid to learn something new. Students need to stay on task with class activity work so as not to get behind. They need to behave in a serious business-like manner. Students need to spend homework time each day looking over their course information. If you have any questions, you can contact me at the school number 319-849-1102 or my school email at spiker@cpuschools.org.